I do it. Igual fácil e fio. Igual fácil e fio. Oh! But Lapina ela nikindetsa ila. Because what just happened right now, I can't process. I can't process it.
A lot of my pimples and blemishes started disappearing. A lot of it has reduced in size.
Thank you so much.
Battling a cough on the clock? Try new
Thank you so much, guys. Hallelujah and stuff. Guys, I don't even know what to say. And thing is, today I wasn't feeling okay, right? Like the whole day I really wasn't feeling okay. Like since morning I was not feeling okay. Next thing, I saw this poster on Instagram, right, saying what's this, nominees are gonna be announced. So now I'm like, I'm not gonna be able to watch it because I'm probably gonna be asleep because I'm too tired. But something in me was like, watch it, right? So I'm just watching and I'm even falling asleep. And then as I keep on watching, like I started feeling like my heart beating fast, you know, because I was excited for other people and I was like, yes for other people. When I saw my name, I froze. I'm still shaking even now. And honestly, I just just want to say thank you guys so much. It really wouldn't have been possible without you guys. I'm not someone that likes celebrating my wins, but
left your home feeling the worst
I
kind
don't
of
know what to say, but thank you so much.
wondering how long
Oh.
before you'd recognize that I was even gone. Baby,
Oh,
was I ever there?
oh guys, oh.
You put me.
I really have a story to tell. And I remember I feel like what to say. I remember last year, me and Matlatsi were at the studio, right? And this was shortly after Tabiso got his birthday. It was shortly after Tabiso got his award, and we were so happy for him, you know. And me and Matlatsi, it was just the two of us. When we left, you kept on saying, next year, Kirina, next year, Kirina. And then I remember us getting on stage together, and then we were acting as if we got nominated or something like that. And that was I remember when we went to stage and I pretended to have this long dress, you know. And I was like, yeah, I like to thank my parents. I like to thank, you know. And we were manifesting it. We were saying, next year it's us. Look at us. And what makes me so emotional is the fact that we both manifested it and we're both there. I don't even know what to say now. I can't even type back to your messages because I can't even type. My hands are shaking. But thank you so much. Thank you. To many more future work, many more things coming, you know, with all the bad things people have had to say, boy, and I never even gave up. I don't want to cry a lot because Tabelin's gonna record. Tabelin's gonna record. Lily, she was crying for something else. But I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you so much for all the love and support that you guys have been giving me. I really appreciate you guys, and yeah, please keep on watching Skin Sam. Keep on watching future shows that are gonna be there as well. And yeah, please keep on supporting the girl. But thank you so much, and I love you guys so much. Initially, this live was supposed to be for me and Matlatsi, but he hasn't joined, so I'm just gonna end the live. But thank you so much to everyone, And I love you guys. Thank you.